Welcome to Flat Creek Solutions, your trusted partner for dumpster rental in Bellmead, Texas. We're here to make your waste management easy and efficient with our high-quality dumpsters and reliable service. At Flat Creek Solutions, we offer a variety of dumpster sizes for projects big and small. Whether you're renovating your home or managing a construction site, our dumpsters can handle it all. We take pride in providing well-maintained dumpsters that are sturdy and efficient for your waste disposal needs. Our team regularly inspects and cleans our equipment to ensure you receive the best service. Your satisfaction is our top priority, and our friendly team is here to assist you every step of the way. We'll help you choose the right dumpster size and schedule delivery and pickup at your convenience. As a local company, Flat Creek Solutions understands the specific needs of Bellmead and the surrounding areas. You can trust us to provide personalized service tailored to your project requirements. We make it easy for you. Our team ensures timely delivery and pickup for a seamless experience. Ready to simplify your waste management with Flat Creek Solutions? Call us today at 254-307-9211 or visit our website at www.flatcreeksolutions.com. Dumpster Rental Bellmead TX to book your dumpster rental. Flat Creek Solutions, your go-to source for dependable dumpster rentals in Bellmead, Texas.